leadership is the biggest hindrance to African progress. And the way to solve it is going to be through the church, but not in its current state of leadership. The leaders who make a difference have a compelling vision. Leaders who make a difference produce results, not reasons. Leaders who make a difference build winning teams. Leaders who make a difference overcome incredible obstacles. Leaders who make a difference follow other leaders. Leaders who make a difference create, manage resources well.
Transform the Leaders Gathering. Grab your early bird ticket now.
So leaders, are you ready to make a difference?